welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing my mini Monday. Yay! I am so excited. This is always my favorite time to record and play these games. I love mini Monday. Okay, so I have all my money the same. I have a couple fives in there, and then we have Ellie on Earth, the UFO Invasion. We have Stuff and Budget, this cute little unicorn. We have Steph's on a Budget. This is by Budgeting with Jenny. Oops. This is my challenge that I created. It is a freebie linked down in my description box. And then we have this one by Budget with Carly. I got it from my mama. Alrighty, so I have the money ready to go, and we are just going to jump right into it today, guys. Let's go. Okay, well, you're going to start with 6. And how I do it is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And every time I roll, whatever number I roll, gets $2 or 2 bills. Okay, let's go. Number 5. And number 5 again, my goodness. Number 1, yay. Number 1 again. Number 3. Number 2. Yay, we just need number 4. Number 6. Okay. Okay, number 6. Number 3. Come on, number 4. Number 3. Yay! Okay, everybody got something today. That's wonderful. Number 6. Number 2. Number 4. Number 5. Number 3. Number 5. Number 3. Number 2. Ooh, we got the 5s. Number 2. Number 4. Number 6. Number 6 again. Wow, number 6 and number 2, they got a lot. Number 4. And the last $2, number 3. Okay, so I am done now. I'm just going to clean this up and then we will start coloring. Alrighty, so let's start with number 1. This is Ellie's UFO Invasion. Okay, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, but I did have some left over from last week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. And then we still have 2 left over, so we'll put that 2 here because that's going to roll over again. And then we'll add the 6. So that one has 20, 30, 5, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 51, my goodness, 52, 53, and 54. So we just need 4 more dollars to finish this challenge. Cool. Okay, so let me just color in this one. All right. Okay, and that is done. Yay! Almost there on this one. I'm so excited. And this one's going to go to Christmas, so that'll be a nice $60 to help Christmas out. Then we're going to pull this one out. I think this one got a lot. This was number 2. This one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. And we needed 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We finished this! Sorry, guys, I didn't even know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What an odd number. Now I'm going to have just like a random one. Alrighty. Let's put her to the side and let's count. We should have $46. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. $46. And I'm just going to color this in real quick. Or what I'm going to do is just mark it like this. And then I'll color it in later, off camera. There. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm so happy right now. Thank goodness. And this one is going to my vacation. Oh my goodness. That's great timing because I really need to add as much money as possible to my vacation fund right now because we're currently planning a vacation that's going to happen in July. So, yep, gotta finish building that up. So, yay. Okay, and then I already had one ready. So this is by AE Budgets. Such a cute Inside Out. So Inside Out 2 is coming out, guys. And I am ready for it. Me and my daughter love that show so much. So good. Okay, and then I'm going to get a green. I think I'm going to do this light green to kind of match. And then I'm going to do that. Okay. Okay, and then we'll just put the dollar in there. Alright, that one's done. Okay. And we have number 3 by Stuff's on a Budget, which got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. That one got a lot. I didn't even realize. Okay, so 12, which means I can fill in 6 little cookies. Yay, we're getting close to the end. Oop, wrong end. Is that the right? Oh, alright, sorry guys, I had to go hunt down my brown, find out where that was. Okay, so I'm going to color in 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're getting close to finishing this one. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Finish that one. Now let's see how much we have. Oh my gosh, are these all ones, guys? Oh my gosh. I will condense these. I keep saying that, but I just need to condense them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. $25. And I think this is like a $32 challenge. Let's see, 28. Oh no, 20. 25. What? Okay, guys, sorry, I recounted that because I should have had 26, not 25, because that's an odd number, and I'm going by 2s here. So I recounted though, and it looks like one of the bills were stuck together. So $26, and I got that finished and colored. So we'll move on. This is too thick. The challenge can't even go in all the way. Okay. Okay. And then number 4 here. Okay. So 1, 2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 to our June savings challenge. So I said 8, we're going to do a 5 and a 3. Get those big 5s out of there. Okay. Alrighty, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. Okay, $15 in my $45 challenge. Okay. And then, oops, we have my serial killer challenge, which is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me count that again. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And then we're gonna get the 5s out of here. 5 and 3 again. Okay. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Guys, like all these challenges are are ones. So like they are getting so thick. I have so much condensing to do, but I think I'm going to do like a video of like condensing all my binders. And so I don't know if you guys like that content, but I think I did get a comment that somebody would like to see that, or a couple people actually. So I'll try it out. Okay. And then last one we have, I got it from my mama, Budget with Carly. And I think this one got a 5. Yes, it did. Okay. So let's count. This one, it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16, guys. Oh my gosh. I think that's like the most I've ever done in like one challenge. Okay, 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, and a 3. Okay, so there's that. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and count. Okay, let's put all this together, and now it has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. $30 in a $45 challenge. Wow, this one's gonna go by fast. It just got all the money. Okay. And that's done. Alrighty, cute. It's all done. I love it. Okay. So, I am done with my mini Monday, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always do, and I love watching Mini Monday as well from other people. So you guys have a wonderful Monday. I hope your weekend went really well, and if you have any suggestions on future content, please comment down below. I love feedback. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!